Good morning, everyone. You're here with the Chris Turner Experience at Alberni Toyota. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're staying up to date with what's new and exciting with Toyota. Now, everyone likes to lift their Toyota Tacoma trucks. They put leveling kits in, they lift them, they do all kinds of stuff to them. But now Toyota finally has a TRD off-road lift kit that levels up the truck and does not void any warranty. So it lifts the front 2 inches, lifts the back 1 inch, and levels out the truck. So I'm going to show you some images, video of a factory Tacoma off-road premium, and then I'm going to show you what is involved with the new TRD off-road suspension lift kit. Here is a 2023 Toyota Tacoma off-road premium without the TRD performance lift kit. So you have the regular grille with the Toyota logo in the front. And then as you look at the profile of the truck and the stance of the truck, you can see it's a little bit higher in the back and a little bit lower in the front. It's got that typical lean to it because, you know, you load up the back drops, then it levels the truck out. But most of us like a bit of a lift and to level the truck out. So instead of a tilt, you got nice and level. So let me show you what the new Tacoma would look like with the lift kit that levels it out and gives you a little more performance. The kit includes the Heritage Toyota front grille and millimeter wave sensor that has been designed to precisely fit new monotube TRD Bilstein shocks that provide improved on- and off-road vehicle dynamics. The kit creates more ground clearance with a 2-inch lift to the front suspension. The kit raises the rear suspension by 1 inch so that it levels the truck and there's no longer a lean to the front. With this new TRD lift kit, you can now add rugged style and tackle tough terrain with the Tacoma. Since it has been designed and tested by TRD engineers, it is the only kit validated by Toyota to be compatible with the Toyota Tacoma.